Today I'll show you how easy it is to assemble an electric bike. Don't forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Here is the electric bike I will be assembling. It is a Metakoo Cybertrack 100. First, I need to unbox all of the parts. Remove all the protective wrapping and tape. Attach the steering handle. Install the front tire. Attach the foot pedals. Install the seat. Attach the front and rear reflectors. Install the battery pack. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to keep up with our latest videos. Thank you.